Today we're going to have some fun with Uncle Dave.
Because you know I'm all about that bass, no treble. I'm all about that bass, no treble. I'm all about that bass, no treble. I'm all about that bass.
I'm back. Hey everybody, how you going? It's been a long time, I know. And one knife I haven't reviewed is, everybody knows, this bad boy, the Swiss Champ. I love this knife. Somehow my love for these things has become infectious, and one of my good buddies first purchased a mini Champ, you know, pretty much the best knife ever, and loved it so much he's just gone and bought himself a Swiss Champ. So my friend Davo brought over his wood scaled Swiss Champ.
Okay, I found myself a walnut Swiss
Hold it up,
Army
I reckon.
knife.
This probably isn't going to be a video review of this knife. It's probably going to be us two just gargling on crap.
Well, viewers, this is the wood scale Champ. It's a beautiful, beautiful knife. It's made out of walnut, beautiful timber finish. Can't get much better.
My only thing, I don't know, everyone's all seen them and stuff, and yeah, these look nice, but these are freaking handy, man. Like,
Yeah, well, you don't have the option.
I do love my
on the
scale
walnut.
tools.
You do have it on the hard wood timber option, I believe. Yeah,
Look at it.
that is one beautiful.
Look at that. Look at the fatty. Love the Champ. It's got everything except tweezers and a toothpick. Here's a good question.
What's the question?
Here's a great question.
Question is,
Why did you start loving Victorinox?
there's nothing more stimulating than getting one of these knives, unboxing, pulling it out, and having a look what goes on. They're so beautifully made. It's the amount of versatility in the tool itself.
Yes.
It's just
We love the versatility.
it's madness.
It is.
I'm collecting forever.
Fantastic
Maybe
craftsmanship.
forever and ever. Swiss Army knives are the shit, people. The shit. Jay,
Yes.
have a go. Your mug.
You got me own.
Oh, you got your own.
Yeah. Must be more shit. Hey Dave, have you got a Swiss Army knife, man?
You mean?
Stop that. You want some facts about these knives we've been talking about today? These two bad boys? The Victorinox Swiss Champ. This one with walnut scales, this one with normal plus scales in Celador. You don't know the difference? This one's got shit in its scales. This one doesn't. Other than that, yeah, same knife. Thanks for watching if you made it all the way to the end, because
I'm going to the side. See you later.
I don't know if I would have watched it the whole time. Celador. Walnut. You decide. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. See you later.